Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial channel of artist Azaru. Today join with me as we bring this artwork to life together with simple step-by-step guidance. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your drawing materials and let's get started.
Step 1. First, draw the grid lines as shown in the video. Keep the drawing very light, then sketch the art. Step 2. Now, erase the grid line slightly and also erase the drawing lightly we have drawn before. Step 3. Next, refine the outline and start detailing the drawing to complete the art. At the end of this video, thank you for drawing along with me. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. And bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.